Hi, in this video I'm going to share with you what is offset. So suppose that you have active cells in this cell A1, right? So how do I go? Let's say I'm here and I want to go to cell A1, right? So you can use a code. So let's just insert a new module. Go here, choose a new module, and we start typing sub using offset. So right here I can use a range A1 dot select. So even though I'm now in cell C6, as I run this code, it will move these active cells into selecting cell A1. So you can see that now you are in cell A1. But what if I want the cell that's just next to this cell A1, right? So I can directly type B1, or I can use offset object. So I want a cell that is same row, so I can put that 0. So there's one column to the right of this cell A1. So this is what it means. This one here means one column to the right of A1. So let's just try again, right? So for now in cell C6, and as I run this code, it's now go to A1, but not only that, it's offset 0 row. No, it's not going to 0 row, and one column to the right. Okay, so what if I change it to 2 and I run this code? So now it goes to A1 but 2 column to the right of cell A1. What if I just put 1 here and I run this code? Now it goes to this cell. Why is that so? Because from A1 move one row down here, and then 2 column away from cell A1. That is using offset. And thanks for watching.